Hello and welcome to
Merlin Pass.
Coaster Dad.
We're at Warwick Castle. We're at Warwick Castle.
Yeah, we're not going on any roller coasters today. We have come down with our Merlin passes to just have a little afternoon at Warwick Castle because we were in the area anyway. What do you think they've got? Castle.
Yeah. Toilets.
They've got the toilets. Well, we're looking forward to the toilets. Let's go check those out.
Oh, that looks good. Oh, wow. This is just amazing. Look at this place. Look at that. This is amazing already.
It's in the ladle, ladies and gentlemen. That's 5 points for Christoph, which means the ladle for a reshot. Oh!
Behind me is... Oh, hello. Where'd you come from? Behind me is the Castle Dungeon, which normally costs £8 each. For us Merlin Pass holders, it's £5 each. It's only got the 3 scenes, which if you've been to other dungeons, you might have already seen. So we're going to skip that for today, but bear that in mind if you were going to come here, that you can have a go on that.
Yeah, because like in our Edinburgh one, we could get in there for a little bit for some more pounds, and we get like 12 scenes.
Yeah, we get 12 scenes, we get free entry at the Edinburgh one, so these scenes are in there. So we'll have a look at the castle today because there's limited hours till 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
How are you feeling about Warwick Castle?
This place is better than like normal castles. This place actually has some stuff to do. Whoa!
So what is the stuff we're going to try and do now?
Archery.
We're going to see if we can get you some have a go archery, yeah. And excuse the wind noise. We still haven't found our little shotgun mic that blocks out the wind noise, so we might have to buy another one. We're going to have to face it for this season, aren't we?
Yeah.
Or maybe it's time to upgrade our camera and GoPro. Maybe. Right, well, whatever we do, we need a little sock on it. Dead cat.
Is that meant to be a joke?
No, we need a little dead cat to deaden the noise like we had on our shotgun camera.
Oh, yeah.
Our shotgun mic. Right, enough waffle about mics.
Waffle.
Let's go through this ancient arch in this 1,000-year-old castle. Because it is
1,000-year-old castle.
to some extent. Archery time. Boy's going to put sharp thing in round thing.
I'm going to try and get a bullseye.
Okay, is that the most points? Do you not want to treble 20? What do you think of the peacock?
That's colourful.
Yeah, a bit like yourself. Right then, you ready to bow?
Yeah.
You're not sure? I'm going to shoot those things.
I'm going to pull my sleeves up so it's easier.
Yeah, pull your sleeves up, bruv.
That must feel weird.
It's really weird feeling, yeah.
I think you can take your bag off if you want to take your bag off when doing archery. I am going to ruin you little targets, I promise. Archery costs £6 per person. You don't get anything off with a Merlin Pass, but you do get 1 extra arrow.
Oh, right. Really good. Great shooting, though. Problem. There you go, Scrimmy. Keep that at work. 4 hours as far back as you can. Oh, well done, mate. You've got all yours on board as well.
We've just been having a go at Have a Go Archery. Did you have a go?
Yeah, there go.
And what's your review of Have a Go Archery?
So good.
Genuinely good. Worth £6 of my money.
Yeah.
Well, it's mum's money, so it's fine.
Oh.
Yeah, did you hit the front target?
I hit the back target.
You did hit the back target. It was well good. Well done, Baz. Amazing. You'd do that again, would you?
Yeah, I really would.
Cool. Well, that was a good experience. That was worth the little upcharge. I enjoyed that. I don't know what we're going to do next. Probably go and look around some rooms. I think this is the birds of prey area, so we'll be down there later for the show.
Yep.
Let's go and have a look around.
Yeah.
We come to check out the Kingmaker exhibit. What do you think, Baz?
Well, it's just staring at us.
I think he's not an actor.
I, Richard Neville, Earl of Warwick, call you to arms. Men of England, I call you to arms. In our country is the illegitimate traitor Edward with foreign powers.
What do you think, Baz? Is it giving Pirates of the Caribbean key line?
Yeah, it really is. Oh, wow. Battle horse.
Battle.
Dude, I think it's pooped.
Yeah, I think it's
Hey Jimmy, how you doing, mate? How you doing? Back me up, man. He does this all day.
balls. Right, next room. All the people that the king met on Tinder. I mean, I don't think it's as good as Chapas. What do you think, Baz? But it's pretty good to look at. As much as we've been messing around, there's some very impressive armour, other militaria in here, in this great hall.
A big gun.
It's called the Great Hall. We did see the big gun. What do you think, Baz? Bit of history?
Yeah, and the best part of history that's here, come on, I'll show you.
Yep.
The best part of history that's here is this 1,000-year-old wood. I mean, you've just got to admire.
Totally historical logs.
Well,
Baz, what do you think of the restaurant?
yeah, it's very silent, this room. How's it so silent?
Because people are being respectful, but I don't feel like being respectful massively in a stately home. It's not a church, it's not a place of worship, it's just an interesting place. So I'm not going to disturb other people, but I am going to be having a chat.
Yeah.
What do you think of these jellies?
They're fake.
I think you're right. Baz, you've got the visitor guide and... oh no. We're going to have to get that back before it blows away. It's litter. Just nip across to grab the litter, that'll be fine.
Yeah. So that's so Playland. Global histories. Central Court. Oh, we were just there. We just left now. But now at the Riverside Arena, I think.
Yeah, Riverside Arena. We're here for the parade show. Going to start soon.
Peacock Garden.
Peacock Garden?
I haven't seen that.
I didn't know there's a peacock garden. Makes all the difference.
Oak Tree Lawn. East Front.
We're going to have to get in that horrible history's maze.
And the toilets.
Ooh, toilets.
Toilets.
One of the best
there's
attractions.
Toilets here, there's toilets here, there's toilets here, there's toilets here, there's toilets. That's some toilets. And there's
You enjoyed the visitor guide?
no toilets. Yes, I found it very plentiful.
Hi Baz, Birds of Prey show expectations. Oh, he's tired from his castle activities.
Not very good, I don't think.
You don't think it's going to be very good? Okay, we'll come back to you afterwards. There's a trebuchet here. I believe at certain points in the year there's a trebuchet show. I'm completely out of focus, sorry. Yep, big trebuchet dude. I think they fire that sometimes. Bird appeared.
He's looking hungry.
Some kind of owl, maybe an eagle owl.
Yeah. This isn't gonna...
Like a different castle.
No, we've just gone for a walk until we're ready.
David. I'm back with 3 more of my birds to fly for you. The first of which, this is Ernie. And I'm sure you could...
In case you haven't heard in the press recently, Ernie the Owl here. Well, after 30 years at Warwick Castle, he's retiring, and it's happening soon. So if you want to see Ernie, I'd get down there and check out the show. It was really good.
Species. We have tawny owls, little owls, tea towels. At least that one got a laugh. Yesterday, no one was like, rain, miserable. This is a hybrid. It's a cross between 2 birds. The gerfalcon, which is the biggest of all.
From him straight away.
Oh wow.
He definitely spotted something, for certain of it.
Oh my goodness.
But as you can see, Simon wastes no time in getting up in the air. Very powerful flyers, falcons. He's already done more flying in 10 seconds than Ernie's done in 30 years. And he's doing very well today, actually. I can see his tail is still a little bit... Yesterday I flew him in the rain, and I was really hoping he was going to...
So Baz, we're just outside of the Birds of Prey show, and what I want to know is what Claire thought of it.
Yay! It was amazing. Red kites.
Red kites.
Low flying.
Shepherd's not so delighted. What do you think, Baz?
It was quite good, yeah. It's very good.
Bird action?
Bird eat food.
Weren't so sure about that, right?
Bird eat little chicken.
Yeah, they were.
Baby chicken! That's messed up.
Apart from that scandal, were they pretty impressive?
But, yeah.
Yeah, I enjoyed it. It was good. Right, let's check out the cafe.
Different heads.
I know.
What should we go on with that?
Baz, how are we finishing off our afternoon at Warwick Castle? There was something that you definitely wanted to do before we left.
Horrible history's maze. Get lost in town. Let's go.
Let's get lost.
Let's get lost.
Okay.
Let's go down the rabbit hole.
Lovely.
Wrong thing.
We had another lovely walkthrough attraction earlier, the Kingmaker thing, didn't we?
Yeah, that was great. It was very realistic. Spoilers.
I enjoyed it. Waxworky, there was a pooping horse, everything you could need.
Little stamps we have to get.
Oh, we meant to do this with a stamp book.
Yeah, this is a stamp book.
Okay, well pick up your time passport here.
Right, I've got one here.
Right, it's all official. It's proper horrible histories.
Oh my god, it's all of the things.
Well,
It's all of the... Oh, we have to find one for it.
let's get in there.
He's wanted.
2020.
Let's
not remember 2020. That was a
So
rubbish year.
we need to get the Vicious Vikings, Storming Normans, Measly Middle Ages, Terrifying Tudors, Vile Victorians, Slimy Stuarts, Frightful First World War things. Oh, come on!
Amazing.
Give it away. The signs.
The signs.
It's a total giveaway. Oh well.
I'm not following that. Nah, it's a joke.
Wait, we haven't tried these signs. Bit rusty. It's got a certain Spinball Wizard queue line feel to it.
Crank a handle on the cog machine to find out which way to go first. You're moving on foot. Can you find the sweep? And it's. You're moving
Well,
on
where's
foot.
there going to be a chimney sweep? Which section?
Tudors?
It's possible. You choose your way and go. Right, coffee, Claire?
Willow. There's a willow seated over there.
So this is a really good place to stamp your time passport, but it's also a great way to learn about punctuation. They purposefully made a mistake here so that you can tell us which punctuation is wrong or right.
No, okay, fine. Alright, first press the handle.
Hang on, I think
Go.
this is a bit upside down.
Yeah, I know.
Oh!
Yeah,
Chimney
this might
sweep,
be
that's beautiful.
Oh, what a lovely trench. It's the First World War.
Oh!
Oh, wow.
Oh, we've actually got.
Go on then. You'll make it.
Mum, no, look. This is an actual trench.
On you go, guys.
Mum,
Yes.
we have to go through here. Go sugar.
Trench periscopes. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking you'd like a look in that periscope, aren't you? That's what you're thinking. Let's take you down there. Come on, down we go. Let's have a look. What excitement could there be? It's a blurry bush. It's just a bush, Baz.
Well,
No, down here, look.
It's a maze. You find us in the Middle Ages, where people looking out for witches and witchcraft. All the Baz, just before you go around there, we've nearly finished this maze.
Yeah.
I just wanted a little question. Are you having a barrel of fun?
look, I can fit my fingers in.
Well,
That's a barrel of
that's
fun.
a barrel of fun, isn't it?
That's
Definition.
A barrel of fun.
Okay, you can go on now.
Barrel of fun.
You can carry on.
It's a barrel of fun!
Viking area, longboat play, famous for their deck chair tents.
Oh, no, that's a pirate. Okay, that's a good Viking impression. Ruthless. Olaf the Hairy.
I'll do the Viking impressions around here. Baz, have you seen this? Baz, have you seen this? It's a great sword. It's great. It's great. It's a great sword. The gates are closed, so we're going home. We've had our day at where were we?
Warwick Castle.
Warwick Castle, yeah, not Warwick. It's Warwick. It's completely pronounced the
But
way
they
that it's
had
not spelled.
wars here.
They did have wars here. We learned a lot about history, and Baz is going to tell you all the history he's learned today.
People pee on tapestries.
I've had a good day. I would definitely come back. There's stuff we didn't see. Baz has bought a tiny crossbow.
With a cork in it.
Yes, nice crossbow action. What do you think, Baz?
Well, I think...
Don't shoot yourself in the face.
I think...
That's got my card details on it.
I think that Warwick Castle has been amazing!
That's an amazing. Yeah, good. Lots of history. Birds of prey. Overpriced stuff
Amazing.
for food in the cafe, but we'll take that. Yeah. If you've got a Merlin Pass, definitely drop in. If you haven't, it's probably worth the £22. I'd say come along, check out Warwick Castle. It's well worth seeing. The next time we see you properly, I think we might be
at Alton Towers.
Yeah, Alton Towers might be our next big vlog. But if we see something fun, we might drop in and say hello. Otherwise, we'll just drop you some POVs over the next few weeks, and we'll get through to opening day, hopefully for Nemesis. Okay, we love you.
We love you.
Please subscribe. We don't have many subscribers, but yeah, drop a like, all those things. La-di-da, yes?
Subscribe.
Whoa, it's a threat. You better get gone. See you later. We've been
Roll the Baz and...
Coaster Dad, and this year we're getting it right like that on every video, yes?
Yeah.
Let's go.